Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to make the famous lasagna my mom taught me to make. If you're interested in that, stick around and I'll show you. So first thing I normally do is I pop the spinach a la crème in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Make sure it's not frosted anymore so you can use it in between the layers of the lasagna. Then put your pan on the fire, put some olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil, and then pop your meat in there. Start making it nice and brown. Just a few more minutes in the microwave, you see. Just try to get it in smaller pieces if you can. It will be easier when you make the lasagna. When it's nice and brown, you start to add all the spices you want. Some ground ginger, some paprika powder, pepper, ground cumin and chili powder. Spinach is perfect now. Then you put a bit of water, maybe like a cup or so it will boil through nicely. And then we're going to make the lasagna. And now let it boil for a couple of minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna grab the lasagna leaves. Just always make sure you have enough lasagna leaves. It smells delicious. I wish you were able to smell this. Just make sure the water gets away a little bit more so we can make a proper sauce for the lasagna. So normally I would use a different sauce packages, either for the mincemeat as for the top, but that package is only available in the Netherlands. It's not here, so you just have to be creative, add some more different spices, put cheese sauce, put some milk in it, and then you can put it on top and put the cheese on top. It's gonna be delicious, and I'm really excited to make this for Nana. He really likes lasagna, and it's something special because my mom taught me how to do it. First layer is always meat, then lasagna leaves, then spinach. Let's do this. Some of the delicious sauce. Okay, that looks good. Try to push it in a little bit. It's not fine. It's not a problem if they overlap. The more lasagna, the better. Next layer of meat. To spread it evenly as you can. Try it a little. Put some more lasagna leaves. Press a little bit. Totally fine because they're gonna be cooked. I'm probably not gonna use this one, but I thought I would. It's first. I had to be very creative with the herbs and spices and the sauces. And the spinach is a bit different as well. So spread the spinach as much as you can, all the way to the corners. Make sure you cover all the lasagna leaves. The meat smells really good, to be honest. Last set of leaves, lasagna leaves. Press it in properly, because after this we're gonna put the sauce on top of it. And you don't want it to run over. It will make a mess in your oven. So make sure you press it properly. Press it in nicely, like that. We made our sauce, so make sure it's nice and saucy. It may look a bit watery, but that's totally fine because it will run in between and everything. And on top of the sauce we're gonna put cheese. So we're just spreading this over everything. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can help it spread with your spoon where you just did the spinach with. It's totally fine because they're gonna intertwine anyway. You see, this is actually what you want. Maybe it's a bit too saucy, but it's fine because now the best part is we're gonna put the cheese. We got cheddar cheese. It's not the same cheese as we use in the Netherlands, but hey, cheese is cheese, it's totally fine. This is actually a really nice thing. It's what they properly use the cheese people.
It's a cheese slicer.
Yeah, but it's a proper one because the people that work in cheese, they used to cut their cheeses with this thing as well. So it literally cut through it like butter. And what you do is you just put the cheese on top of the lasagna and the sauce, just like that.
Why did you opt for sliced cheese instead of grated cheese? Or can people actually just grate it on top?
Yeah, you can basically choose whatever you want. I like this version because my mom would used to do this, and then on top of this you put grated cheese. So it's just a thing that we used to do. And like the thing is, I like making lasagna because it makes me think of her. She taught me this recipe because she used to make it for people that were in an elderly home basically. And one of the chefs, they taught her how to do this, and now she's passing this on to me. So I feel like it's almost like it's gonna be a family thing, you know. Especially because like a lot of people make lasagna, but they don't make lasagna with spinach a la crème and meat. They do make it with meat, but they put a lot of veggies in and stuff. And like I don't mind putting in veggies, but I really enjoy spinach a la crème, and I think it's actually a very nice combination with the cheese and the lasagna. And actually before this I used to make only I used to make the same dish, but I would put first only the meat and then on top only the spinach, and then you wanted to mix it, and it turned out really well to mix it. Let me give my love a piece of cheese. I said a piece of cheese. Let's cover the little pieces. I think
if I start now, I'm gonna start eating.
Yeah, no, we mustn't do that. So, do something that I forgot to do. Preheat the oven on 200 degrees Celsius. Whenever you're done with this one, don't leave it too long here. Put it in the oven straight away for around 30 minutes. Just check on it. It should be nice and melted, the cheese, maybe even a bit brown. And hopefully you can still see a little bit of the layers. So that's what we're gonna do. In the meantime, I'm just gonna work, read, study, whatever.
I was cooking the baby.
Oh, it's nice. I enjoy it much more.
Why?
It's company. You're fun. It's gonna be, I hope it's gonna be good because it is really different though. So I'm not too sure.
It won't taste better than the cheeks.
But I put a lot of flavors on the meat because I know you like that.
Yes.
So.
You mean spices?
Yes.
I'm hungry.
That's cool, huh? Hungry.
Hungry
frustrating part of making dishes. Let's go. So whenever you're done cooking, just make sure you do all the dishes straight away because no one wants to enjoy their food and then has to go back doing dishes. So whatever you use now, just clean it quickly and there we go. All prepared. Let's quickly check the box. Starting to look really good already. You see it's sizzling. That's nice. I'm gonna go back to work for a little bit and I'll check you later. Most important thing is to taste. So let's see. It's good. I'll give it a few more minutes, maybe 10. I wish you were able to see how it is. Done. Oh yeah, that is done. Look at that. So now what I normally just do is I put the oven off and I'll just leave it in there, chilling for a bit. That's what happened to my phone as well. Layers are sort of gone. That's okay.
It's not burnt, is it?
No, it's not bad.
It's fine. I got it. Whoa! Oh no!
It's fine, you can't eat it.
You need a whole bunch.
So normally it would be a bit more saucy, but I think still the lasagna leaves a bit of the juice and the moisture, so I think it's still nice and soft. Throw some sauce on that.
Throw some sauce on it. Maybe there's a bit of tomato sauce.
I've never seen this before, to be honest. What it is first.
Might add another piece.
Oh, I'm glad it tastes good. It's been approved.